Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to adjust the crosshair in Once Human. To adjust the crosshair in Once Human, first of all, launch open the Once Human game on your device. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and click on the three dots at the top right corner and from the expanded menu, click Settings. Inside the Settings menu, go to Basics and then under Basics, click Settings. Now from the Settings option, scroll down and look for the Crosshair setting button. Look for the slider right under Crosshair thickness and drag it towards the right to increase the thickness, whereas you need to drag it towards the left to decrease it. Drag the slider and set your preferred thickness, and once you do that, you can also adjust the crosshair transparency from the right hand side. Adjust the transparency by dragging the slider, and once you do that, you can now head back to the game and you'll be able to see your crosshair thickened or thinned according to your preference. You can see the crosshair right here, so that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.